This is compilation of ranking best cat funny moments.
Your body lightweight, it speaks to me.
Target locked.
No, 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 no.
Ito ang tinatawag na snake dragon, kung saan ang isang paa niya ay isa lang ang nakatukod at nakagagat ang kanyang mga paa. Ito naman ang
I got this!
I hold him up.
You must have lost your mind. You have lost your mind, but let me tell you something. You must not know who I am. I am the 5th generation of big cats, and as you can see, I am 2 sizes bigger than you, meaning that I will destroy you. Now, I'm going to let you go with that warning. Put your hand down. You don't